In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get TikTok Shop affiliate from any country. Let's get started by opening the TikTok Shop login page. You can do this in your browser by searching for the official TikTok Shop portal. Once you're there, look for the option to log in or create a new account. This is your starting point for setting up the affiliate side of TikTok Shop, which lets you promote products and earn commissions from eligible sales. On the sign-up screen, you'll notice TikTok automatically detects your country. If it selects the wrong one, or you need it to reflect a different location, you can change the country right there. Choose the country where you plan to operate, because this setting affects what you see in the dashboard, the currencies available, and the rules you'll need to follow. Picking the correct region up front helps avoid verification delays. Next, complete the sign-up. You can register using your phone number, or you can sign up with your existing TikTok account. If you choose the phone option, be ready to receive a verification code and enter it promptly. If you use your TikTok account, make sure you're logging into the account you want linked to your affiliate activities. Keeping your login details secure and consistent will make future access smoother. After you've created your account, TikTok will ask you a few questions. These are typically about your profile, the type of content you make, and how you plan to use TikTok Shop. Provide accurate information and select the answers that best describe your situation. The prompts are on screen and guided, so take your time and confirm each response before moving on. Clear, consistent details help the system tailor your experience and can reduce back and forth during checks. You'll also be asked to provide documents to complete your TikTok Shop setup. This is normal for verification. Be prepared to upload clear images or PDFs of the requested items, such as a valid government ID, proof of address, or business documentation if applicable. Make sure names and addresses match exactly across your documents and your account. Good lighting and sharp scans help prevent rejections. If a file doesn't upload, check the size and format and try again. From here, simply follow each on-screen prompt until you reach the confirmation page. If anything needs review, TikTok may notify you within the dashboard. Once everything is approved, your affiliate access will be active for the country you selected, and you'll be ready to explore products and start promoting. Take a moment to review the policies and requirements shown in your account so you stay compliant as you work.